Most of the time I'm putting in this stuff. Just the regular, this is 3/8 or 10 millimeter. If you're going between walls or ceiling and floor, the easiest way to cut this stuff is to use these tin snips. You gotta make a funny face when you're doing it. But the problem is you get that little ding in there. Now you can usually hide that, or you're not gonna see it too much. You can clean it up with the file. That helps. You can also use your grinder with the diamond blade you're using to cut tiles. You can hacksaw in a miter box. If you got your wet saw set up, you can cut on the wet saw. But it's hard to stay very accurate. If you want to do some nice miters, or if you have a lot to cut, the best way to do it is on the miter saw. You don't need anything special, just a wood blade with, you want to have a pretty fine cutting blade, so you want to have quite a few teeth. You don't want to use the blade that comes stock on these saws usually. You don't need the special metal blades, and I find sometimes they don't even work as well. So just, and I don't like switching blades out, so you don't want to have I do have a little saw that I use when I'm cutting these, and I do have a metal blade for them, but most of the time you can just use a wood blade. So I will show you how to cut some nice miters and bring the camera over there. Safety glasses, ear protection. So if you're using a wood block, a scrap, you can just put it on. You cut very slowly. Get a nice clean cut. You can use your file and clean it up if needed, but usually it's pretty good. If you want to do a miter, so you can do an inside miter or an outside miter this way. Or if you need to do a miter this style of miter. A little bit on there, you can very lightly. File off. So that's all there is to it. The miter saw gives you the best cuts over these other options. It's also really good if you have something like a bullnose or a rounded edge. There's all different kinds you can get, and the miter saw seems to be the best bet. If you've got a better way to cut it, leave a comment below. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and check back for more how-to videos. Thanks for watching.